Hi there, welcome to day 7 of our English communication journey. I'm so glad you're here. Today, let's talk about a real-life scenario, ordering food at a restaurant. This is a situation where knowing the right English phrases can make you feel confident and comfortable. Let's start with some simple steps to help you. Getting the waiter's attention. You can say, "Excuse me," or "Could I see the menu, please?" Placing your order. Start with phrases like, "I would like to have," "Can I get a," for example, "I'd like to have a coffee and a sandwich, please." Asking for details. If you need clarification, try, "What do you recommend? Does this dish come with rice? Is it spicy?" Ending the meal. When you're done, you can say, "Could I get the bill, please? It was delicious, thank you." Practice tip. Next time you visit a cafe or restaurant, try ordering in English. Don't worry about mistakes, just focus on trying your best. Thank you for joining me for day 7. Practice these phrases and soon you'll be ordering food like a pro. See you tomorrow for day 8.